way that I move, that thermometer proves that
Michelle Williams steps into Marilyn Monroe's shoes to tell about a wild whirlwind romance during the filming of The Prince and the Showgirl in 1956. My Week with Marilyn is about the actress's affair with director's assistant Colin Clark.
surprise!
Like her character, Williams has had tragedy in her young life. The father of her child, Heath Ledger, died of a drug overdose almost 4 years ago, and she relates to Monroe's search for happiness.
I think that she was constantly sort of looking for a place to belong, looking for a home, because she was denied that over and over again as a child and never really recovered from it. Can you imagine?
Her co-star, Kenneth Branagh, says Williams transformed herself for this role.
Michelle was remarkable in it because she had to, do Marilyn, sing and dance and walk and shimmy.
Branagh plays Laurence Olivier, the most famous actor of the time. Olivier was livid about Marilyn's antics on the set and off, always late, showing up woozy and appearing to be drugged up.
I think Marilyn knows exactly what she's doing.
Playing Olivier has its own challenges.
When I started acting, he was the dominant figure in our entire business. Many people knew exactly what he sounded like.
My Week with Marilyn shows the several sides of Marilyn Monroe while delivering a heartbreaking story of a star who could never find herself. Sandra Hughes, CBS News, Hollywood.
We're having a heat wave.